What's up, guys? Juan. So it is 8 o'clock in the morning. Today's Tuesday, May 22nd. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been looking at a few different cars and stuff. So this morning, finally, we're gonna go get the new car for the channel. Hopefully, keep your fingers crossed. Make sure we can get a good little deal lined up. So here, I'm gonna show you guys, is the old air ride stuff out the Golf. And got some stuff, all air ride stuff over there on the floor. Sorry, my garage is a little bit of a mess, but I want to get something that you guys want to see, and I also want to get something that's more fun. So this new car, if the deal goes down, it is not a Mopar. So sorry, Mopar guys. Based off the way the channel's growing, I have, you guys really enjoyed Hector's video for his scat pack. I'll be doing more content with him, comparing what I buy after I start modifying it, and my roommates and buddies supercharged Mustang as well. These cars are all in a similar category, so there'll be really nice comparison videos and stuff we'll be able to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let's head down to Austin. LS9 supercharged. This thing's fucking dope.
Look at the carbon fiber on it too.
Oh my god.
It's got the optional JB Weld option over there too. Look where it meets up on the back. At the back of the skirt.
Oh. Got some little flaws here and there. This thing's nice as fuck though, regardless.
Hold on. Is it American? Yeah, that's true, man. I don't care.
Here goes the track hot guys.
It's still an American car.
Look at this bad boy. 2018 Track Hawk has 8,000 miles on it. I think it's bad. Octane red. This color's so pretty, especially on this thing. It has a new car smell on it still. If you want to,
as he's in there,
as he yeah.
Oh, look at this Chevy Cobalt steering wheel in the most expensive Chevrolet. Look at this. Like, hey man, just put the that logo.
So we'll see what they counter offer with. I apologize for not recording it the same day. This is actually a couple days later. It took longer than I expected to get the car, like to finalize the deal. And then, I had to drive back because I bought the car from Austin. So if you guys know, I live in like an hour north of Austin. So I had to drive back and go straight to work and all that kind of stuff. So I just haven't had time. And when I left work, it was already too dark to record. So here it is, guys. This is a 2015, sorry about being dirty because I haven't washed it or anything, but this is a 2015 Camaro SS 1LE. It is in white, has leather interior, the ZL1 wheels, which come on these cars, the quad tips exhaust, and this particular one had a little bit higher mileage. It's normal for the year. It has like right around 57,000, which for a 2015 vehicle, it should be right around that. But most of them have less miles. You can see here the vinyl wrap has rock chips and stuff because it's supposed to be a vinyl wrapped hood. And there goes the heart of the beast, 6.2 liter V8 LS3. Everything is really clean down here. It needs a little bit of loving and detailing, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Now, the only thing I've done to the car so far is, I'll show you inside here in a second, but the tires were kind of junk. It had winter tires in the rear, and it had like really low tread tires in the front, so that's how I was able to negotiate the deal even better. So I just literally yesterday I ordered, and they happened to show up the same day. They had them available at discount. These are all four are the Nito 555 G2s. So this is a really good, somewhat summer sticky tire, but also is decent in the rain. That's what I wanted. I didn't want a full-blown summer like track wheel or anything like that. So now we'll take a look inside. Black leather interior, you know, standard GM stuff. This one is fully loaded minus the sunroof. So if you know what the 2 SS package comes with and the 1 LE, as you can see, the only other thing that's wrong from the inside is the shifter. The shifter right there is falling apart, which I already ordered a new shift knob, which I know that was a big complaint about these cars, is they had suede steering wheels and suede shifters. They just don't hold up that well. But yeah, I'm really excited for this one and show you guys what I have planned for it. When I was looking for 1 LEs, I only found 2 within a decent radius from me. One was this one in Austin. The other one was in a smaller dealership outside of Dallas somewhere. So it's gonna be a 2.5 hour drive. So I went to this one. They were asking 29,000, 28,000 and some change, which was a little high for the fact that it had 57,000 miles. But since I was in the area, I just wanted to go look at the car. Had no intentions of buying it because I didn't think they were gonna wiggle room that much. After negotiating and stuff, they dropped the car down to 24,800. I'm pretty happy. I'm happy with the price I got. I'm comfortable with the price I got. Granted, I did put brand new tires on it. I could have went cheaper route and stuff, but it's kind of part of the game. The only other thing that probably needs, obviously we're gonna do an oil change, we're gonna do maintenance on it, get that all out of the way, and we'll be posting up those videos. And other than that, it may need some brakes soon, like brake pads in the front. And but yeah, 24,800 with tax, title, and license, trading in the R, and I bought gap insurance and all that kind of stuff. It came out to, I think my full total amount was like 26,800 something. I'm happy with it. Payment is more comfortable than buying a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I know I wanted a Jeep SRT, and you guys wanted to see that too, but the Jeep SRTs were like, you know, $40,000 for one, and they were further away. Then after doing some research and stuff, I decided that I wanted the 6-speed manual. I wanted a different type of car. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe below. Follow me on Instagram. Got a lot of plans for this bad boy. Have a lot of fun stuff we're planning to do. So catch you guys on the next one, and like always, keep it gangsta. Peace.